In this video, we will talk about what is probability. Probability is the likelihood or the chance of an event occurring. Take a look at this right in front of us. Right now, we have a representation of a spinner, and we also have a table. So this spinner shows the results of 100 spins. Okay, and I want to explain the results to you. When you take a look at this spinner, there are 4 possible results or outcomes when we spin this spinner. The pointer can land on the red section, the yellow section, the green section, or the blue section. And each section is the same size. And there is only one section of each color. So each of the 4 outcomes is equally likely because the pointer has an equal chance of landing on any of the 4 sections. In the previous video, we talked about identifying the parts of the number line that coincides with probability. Each time that you spin this spinner, the likelihood or the probability of the pointer landing on red, yellow, green, or blue is the same size. So if you take a look at these equal size sections, there is a 1 out of 4 or a 1/4 chance or a 25% chance probability that the spinner will actually land on either one of these colors. And if you take a look at the table, it is about 25%. Some of them are a little bit over, some of them are a little bit under. Let's take a look at this next portion, okay? I have a die here, and the die has 6 sides. Let's take a look and describe the situation, okay? I want to describe this situation, and I also would like to use probability and likelihood to describe them. What is the probability? If I roll this die has 6 faces or 6 sides labeled 0 through 5. Okay, it is labeled 0 through 5. If I roll this cube, what is the probability that I will land or roll a 2? Well, if you take a look at it, there is only one number 2 on this entire die. So only one of the 6 sides is a 2. So the probability is 1 out of 6, or as a fraction, it will be 1/6. If I wanted to determine what is the probability of that I will roll a number less than 8, well, taking a look at this die, all 6 of the faces or all 6 of the sides are less than the number 6. So it is certain that I will roll a number less than 6. So the probability is 6 out of 6. 6 out of 6 is actually 1 whole. As a fraction, it will be 6 out of 6. Taking a look at the last one, and I want to discuss what is the probability that I will roll a number greater than 6. Well, if you take a look at this, the largest number on this die is actually a 5. So the probability that I will roll a number greater than 6 is actually impossible. So the probability is 0 out of 6, which will be 0 out of 6. If you use your words, this will be impossible. The probability that I will roll a number less than 8 will be certain. And the probability that I will roll of 2 is it is unlikely. In this video, we talked about using probability and likelihood to describe situations.